All right, today Maverick and I are going to read our favorite book. Don't push the button. Very good. All right, here we go. Don't push the button. Ready? Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should get the button. One little push. Push it. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow polka dot. Push it twice. One more. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push it again. Push it again. Uh-oh. There's a lot of Larrys now. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Shake it. Almost. A little more. Shake it some more. There we go. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Hee hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Push it again. The end. Good job.